You're 500 feet below the surface of the Atlantic, cruising in a state-of-the-art research sub. It's supposed to be a routine dive. But then, a massive jolt throws you to the deck. The lights flicker, die, and the emergency red lights kick on. You are going down, and no one knows you're here. This is your life at every level of a submarine disaster. Level 1. The breach. You're dropping fast. The depth gauge reads 1,000 feet. Suddenly, you hear the worst sound a submariner can hear: running water. A pipe has burst in the aft compartment. The ocean is literally trying to push its way inside. You have exactly 2 minutes to seal the bulkhead door before the water shorts out the main battery and leaves you in total darkness. You grab the heavy steel wheel and pull with everything you've got. Your muscles burn, but the door clicks shut. You're safe, for now. Level 2, the calm blackout. You're now at 2,500 feet. You sprint to the radio room to send out an SOS to the U.S. Coast Guard. You grab the mic. Nothing. The impact destroyed the sonar and the communication array. You are entirely blind and deaf to the outside world. You're sitting in a multi-million-dollar metal coffin. Panic starts to set in. You realize no rescue chopper is coming for you. You have to save yourself. Level 3. Hypothermia. Depth 4,000 feet. The ocean down here is freezing. Without main power, the sub's heating system is dead. The temperature drops to 35 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see your own breath. Frost starts forming on the titanium walls. If you don't find thermal gear, your blood flow will slow down, your brain will get foggy, and you'll fall asleep. A sleep you won't wake up from. You rip open the emergency locker and throw on a heavy survival suit. Level 4. The CO2 scrubbers fail. 5,500 feet down. It's not the water that kills you first in a sub. It's the air. The carbon dioxide scrubbers have stopped working. Every breath you take makes the air more toxic. You start getting a massive headache. Your vision blurs. You're suffocating on your own breath. You desperately search the medical bay and find a portable oxygen mask. You strap it to your face, buying yourself a few more hours. But the oxygen tank is small. Level 5. The crush depth. 8,000 feet. The pressure outside is now over 3,500 pounds per square inch. That's like having an elephant standing on every inch of this submarine. The titanium hull starts to groan and pop. It sounds like the ship is screaming. You know the absolute crush limit is 10,000 feet. If you hit that, the sub implodes in a fraction of a millisecond. You need to drop the emergency ballast weights right now, or you're crushed into dust. Level 6. The Hail Mary. 9,500 feet. You are inches away from total implosion. The electronic ballast release is dead. There is only one option left: the manual override. It's located in the flooded engine room. You take a deep breath from your tank, dive into the freezing water, and swim through the dark, debris-filled corridor. You find the massive red lever. Your hands are freezing, but you pull it with every ounce of strength you have left. Level 7. The Ascent. You hear a loud clunk. The heavy lead weights drop away from the hull. Suddenly, the submarine lurches upward. You are rising. 8,000 feet, 5,000 feet, 1,000 feet. The pressure eases. Finally, the sub breaches the surface of the water, rocking violently in the waves. You pop the top hatch and blinding sunlight hits your face. You take a massive gulp of fresh, salty ocean air. You actually did it. You survived.